In question 4, the coefficient of x in the expansion of 4x plus 10 upon x whole cube is p. The coefficient of 1 upon x in the expansion of 2x plus k upon x squared to the power 5 is q. It's given that as if p is equal to 6q, we have to find the possible values of k. Now, in the first step, we'll first find the coefficient of x in the expansion of 4x plus 10 upon x whole cube. We will apply the expansion formula, that is a to the power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 b to the power 2 and so on. Now, as we need the coefficient of x, it means that a must have a power 2 and in the denominator it must be a power 1, so that the term in we get a term in x. So as the power is 3, we can simply apply 3c1. So 3c1, in place of a we have 4x into 3 minus 1, and in place of b we have 10 upon x, which will be to the power 1. 3c1 is 3 into 4 squared, that will become a 16. X squared into this will become 10 upon x. So that so this x and this x square will cancel and we'll get 480 x as our value. So this is the value of p. So p equals to 480. And now in the next part, we have to find the coefficient of 1 upon x in the expansion of, so this expansion is 2x plus k upon x squared to the power 5. Now to find the coefficient of x to the power, so this 1 upon x basically means we are looking for x to the power minus 1. Now if we cannot directly guess how to get x power minus 1, we can use the method where we can just write it as 5cr. A is 2x, so in place of 2x we can just write x, as we are looking for a power of minus 1, and this will become 5 minus r. And b is 1 upon x square, we can write it as x to the power minus 2 to the power r, and we need x to the power minus 1. As we are just looking to find the term in x power minus 1, we will not be using the constants. So this will become x power 5 minus r into x power minus 2r, which should be equals to x power minus 1. So 5 minus r minus 2r will be equals to minus 1. We compare the powers now. So 5 plus 1 is equals to 3r, or r will be equals to 2. Now we could have directly guessed taking 5c2, but in case we are confused of how to find the term in 1 upon x, we can use this method as well. So now using 5c2, we will get 5c2 into 2x. So this will become so 2x to the power 5 minus 2. So this will become 5 to the whole cube, and this will become k upon x squared to the power 2. 5c2 is 10, and this will be 2 cube is 8. So this will be 8x cube into, so this will become k squared upon x to the power 4. Now we can see that x cube and x4 will cancel out to give 1 upon x, and the coefficient of 1 upon x will be 80k squared. In the question, it said that p is equals to 6q. The value of p was 480. So as p was equals to 6q, we'll write 480 over here is equals to 6. And this was the coefficient of 1 upon x, which was 80k squared. So we'll write 80k squared in place of q. To find the value of k, this will become 480 divided by 80 into 6, which is also 480 equals to k squared. So k squared will be equals to 1. Taking the square root of 1, the value of k will be 1 and minus 1.